Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Okay? Guys, before we start anything, let's first pray to God. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Start with 3 times Omkara. Take a long breath, beta. Start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo nah Prachodaya. Everyone, rub your hands. Put it on your face. Now slowly open your eyes, beta. Guys, study is going continue है ना. Do you like this online video, beta? कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो? Hope you all are doing well. Do your work daily and daily time to time. Okay, what you do your work daily and time to time, and your work should be neat and clean. I like most of students work is very good है ना, but then also जो remain students whose work is not properly, do your work neat and clean and on time to time. If you skip one day, अगर एक दिन आप अपना वर्क करना छोड़ दोगे, स्किप कर दोगे, नेक्स्ट डे इट्स be a pending रह जाएगा, and next day there are lot of work, so do your work daily and daily. Okay students, in our maths the fourth one chapter is already done है ना. This is the numbers 21 to 50 जो हमने numbers learn कर लिया. ओके, इसमें क्या था, number names, then before, between, after number, ascending, descending, smallest, greatest, all these things नंबर सबको आपको आ गया है. ओके, जैसे टेंस एंड वंस प्लेस 21 है तो 2 टेंस 1 1, 31 है तो 3 टेंस 1 1, अगर 44 है तो 4 टेंस 4 वंस, 50 है तो 5 टेंस 0 वंस. ओके, टेंस वंस प्लेस ऑलरेडी यू नो. And now today I am going to start our new chapter number 5. Which chapter? Chapter number 5. And it is name of this chapter is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction 21 to 50. जो हमने नंबर लर्न किया है उसी का हम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन लर्न करेंगे इन दिस वीडियो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so what is addition? Addition means I already explained in previous chapter जो 1 to 20 number addition था, but just I am going to introduce about this chapter. Addition means add two or more collection, combine two or more collection. Combine means जोड़ना. This is the fourth finger I want to add in this. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Likewise, suppose this is the addition, two or more collection, combine two or more collection, it's called addition. And then this is the plus, is the sign of the addition. ये आप एडिशन की साइन हो गई प्लस वाली. Now what about subtraction? Subtraction means take away. Subtraction means take away. From something we have to take something. It's called a subtraction. Take away. Suppose I have 5 fingers, है ना? Out of that 5 fingers, 2 fingers down. Then how many fingers is there? So 2 this is take away. मैंने निकाल ली. It's called subtraction. But it's only 0 to 21 numbers. Now 21 to 50 number means 1 to 50. All these numbers, addition and subtraction, we will learn in this chapter. Okay students, so let's ready, get set, go. Okay, chale. So what is the work first? Read heading with me. First of all, beta write your date and CW. I already written, but it's by pencil, so not a readable. Write your date and CW. डू वर्क विथ मी, मेरे साथ ही वर्क कर लेना है आपको. ओके चले. एड, इट्स कॉल, देखो ऐसा किया, इट्स कॉल ऑब्लिक कहते हैं. एड और सब्ट्रैक्ट द फॉलोइंग बाय काउंटिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. क्लियर बेटा. काउंटिंग फॉरवर्ड किस में होना है? काउंटिंग फॉरवर्ड इन एडिशन एंड काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड इन सब्ट्रैक्शन. क्लियर गाइस. काउंटिंग फॉरवर्ड एडिशन में होता है एंड काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड इन अ सब्ट्रैक्शन. क्लियर. ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो हियर इज योर फर्स्ट नंबर इज 11 plus 8. ओके 11 plus 8. So when we start 2-digit numbers, always we start from our ones place. Here is your tens place and this one is your ones place. Tens and ones. Where we start from? From ones place. 1 plus 8. Okay. So here is one addition fact. When we add 1, answer is after number. है ना. So 8 after 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. It is here. या तो 8 in mind, 1 my finger, 8 after 9. So 9 is here and 1 as it is, 1 is down because there is no any numbers. So 1990 is your answer. Okay students, hope you all understand. You getting my point? Next one, question number. Sum is 16 plus 2. Okay, where we start from our ones place. Here is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 6 in mind, 2 my finger. 6 after 7, 8. So your answer 8 is here and 1 as it is. 1 के नीचे एक भी नंबर नहीं है टेंस के प्लेस में. So 1 as it is and 1818 is your answer. What is your answer? 1818 is your answer. Okay. Now here is the subtraction. 9 minus 5. Here is only ones place. This is your ones place only, single digit number. 9 minus 5. So how to do subtract? Subtract by counting backward. So 9 in mind, 5 my finger. 9 before, 8 7 6 5 4. क्या करना है? 9 के बिफोर से फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करना है. 9 बिफोर 5 फिंगर, 9 बिफोर 8 7 6 5 4. So 4 is your answer here. Okay beta, this is the backward counting. Now next number is 8 plus 7. Here is the sign of addition. In addition, counting forward. 8 in mind, 7 my finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And your answer 15 is already here. Okay. Next one, 9 minus 3. 9 before 3 finger. 9 before 8, 7, 6. फर्स्ट वन इज नंबर, उसी के बिफोर नंबर से स्टार्ट करोगे. जो डाउन नंबर से इतनी फिंगर्स काउंट करोगे. बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. सो हियर 6 इज योर आंसर. ओके, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज हियर. एड subtract on the number line. Add or subtract on the number line. This is the same work in addition and subtraction. In addition, move forward but on the number line. Okay. So your first digit is here 3 plus 5. So देखो हियर इज़ द बिग जंप. अगर देखो लास्ट ईयर मैंने जो लास्ट बुक सबमिशन में मैंने बुक देखी थी, सो मैनी स्टूडेंट्स सेड ऐसे ही जंप लगाया. दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट जंप. ओके, जो फर्स्ट नंबर है वहाँ पे आपका फर्स्ट जंप रहेगा. क्या रहेगा? फर्स्ट नंबर पे 0 to 3 का फर्स्ट जंप रहेगा. अदरवाइज डायरेक्ट 3 से ही स्टार्ट करो. फर्स्ट जंप लगाओ ही नहीं. ओके, वेर यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 3. So put your finger on the 3. 3 after how many jumps? 5 jumps. How many jumps? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is your answer? Your answer is 8. जो फर्स्ट नंबर है वहीं से स्टार्ट करो, या तो फिर 0 से 3 तक का फर्स्ट जंप लो. ठीक है, एंड देन नेक्स्ट नंबर इज योर जंप 1 digit. So here is your answer 8. Put your circle on 8 and write your 8 here. Okay guys, hope you all understand. Next one is here is subtraction. देखो 16 minus 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. तो start from 0 to 15 का big jump लगा लो. Okay, now how many 6 jump 6, बट कहाँ जाना है? बैकवर्ड, बिकॉज इट इज अ सब्ट्रैक्शन. वी हैव टू मूव बैकवर्ड बिकॉज दिस सम इज सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, चले 15 बिफोर 6 जंप. स्टार्ट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. एंड व्हाट इज योर आंसर? योर आंसर इज 9. Circle here and write it here only. What is your answer? 9. Okay. This is your number line, subtraction and addition. Here is new exercise. Add or subtract vertically. Add or subtract vertically. Here also same way. In addition, move forward. In subtraction, move backward. Clear? चलिए, योर फर्स्ट सम इज 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 इज कैसे किया है? 6 plus 4, 6 after 4 finger, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 answer is here. This is your horizontal. This number same we have to write in vertically. 6, your 6 is here, your 4 is here. प्लस की साइन. 6 plus 4, 6 after 4 finger, 7, 8, 9, 10, and your answer 10 is here. Okay, this is the single digit. It's so easy for you. Now next one is 9 minus 6. So 9 से 6 finger back जाना है. How many fingers? 6. 9 before से start करना है. 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So your answer 3 is here, and this number I have arranged in a vertical position. 9 here, 9 minus की sign, 6 is here, and then your answer is 3 already. Okay students, now here is our first page done already. Now next page is here. एडिंग और सब्ट्रैक्ट वर्टिकली. आपको ऐसे स्टैंडिंग लाइन में एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करना. इट्स सो इजी. राइट योर डेट एंड CW हियर. ओके, चले, हियर इज योर फर्स्ट चैप्टर, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है ना. दिस इज योर एग्जाम्पल्स ओनली. सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 43 plus 13. How to write this number? So for tens place, this is your tens, this is your ones. Okay, tens ones. 43 plus 1 3. Okay, in a 2 digit addition एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन वेयर वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? फ्रॉम आवर वंस प्लेस ऑलवेज, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? ऑलवेज फ्रॉम आवर वंस प्लेस। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। 3 + 3, so 3 after 3 finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6 and 6 is here. Next number is 4 + 1, so 4 after 1, 4 after 5, your answer is 5 here. या तो फिर when we add 1, answer is after number, so 4 after 5 is 56. Your answer is 56. What is your answer here? 56. Clear guys? This is the addition and here is the subtraction. So how to read? Read the second example. Subtract 13 from 43 vertically. Vertically means standing में, vertically means खड़े खड़े. Okay, चले let's subtract. So write, this is your tens place, this is your ones place and write your 43. देखो look here, subtract 13 from 43, 43 में से 13 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. क्लियर? सो यो 43 minus 13. ओके, दिस इज अवर वंस प्लेस. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. 3 minus 3, 3 से 3 डिजिट बैक जाना है. या तो when we subtract same number, answer is 0. So 3 minus 3, 0. ओके, या तो फिर अगर हम काउंटिंग करेंगे तो देखो 3 में से 3 माइनस करना है. 3 before 2 1 0. ओके, या तो फिर 3 minus 3 डायरेक्ट 0. 0 इज हियर एंड 4 minus 1, 4 से 1 फिंगर बैक. 4 before 3 and your answer is here. So 3 0 30 is your answer. Okay, next number. Add 12 and 36. Add 12 and 36. So write your 1 to 12 plus की sign and 3 6 36. Okay, where we start our work from? From ones place and this is your ones place. 2 + 6. Look here, यहाँ पे 2 upside में है, 6 is downside. But what I said to you, big number always in mind, small number finger. So 6 in mind, 2 my finger, 6 after 7 8. Clear? या तो 6 after डायरेक्ट कर लो 7 8 and your answer 8 is here. Okay, next number is 1 + 3. 1 + 3. So when we add 1, answer is after number. So here 4 is after number, 3 का after number 4 and 48 your answer. Next one, 2 digit subtraction. 45 minus 23. Where we start our work from? Our work from ones place. In a ones place 5 minus 3. So 5 से 3 finger back जाओ. 5 before 4 3 2 and 2 is here. Next one, 4 minus 2. 4 से 2 finger back. 4 before 3 2 and your answer 2 is here. Okay. Okay students, this is your textbook work and in your notebook also some works. Let's do this. Okay students, this is your notebook. Write your here only 6 sums and write your date and CW beta. Where should you write? Write your date, CW and write this is your margin line. Okay, put your star here. Write your name, chapter name, chapter 5, addition and subtraction 21 to 50. Okay, this here is your heading done, chapter name done. Now your heading is means your concept is क्या करना है? Put your margin line. This is margin line. Put your star and heading is add or subtract by counting forward and backward. हमें ऐड करना है तो मूव फॉरवर्ड, बैक करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है तो मूव बैकवर्ड, पीछे आना है, एडिशन में आगे जाना। ओके, लेट्स डू दिस। लुक हियर, दिस इज योर line for skipping. Skip your line. Okay, now start your work. Okay, write your 1. This is, it should be in circle because it's a serial number, and 1 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3. Listen guys, here 3 is single digit number, so it should be in a ones place. जब हमारा सिंगल डिजिट है तो वंस की प्लेस में ही होना चाहिए। ओके, 5 plus 3, 5 after 3 finger, 6 7 8, 8 is here. Okay, and 1, no any number here, so 1 as it is, and 1 8 18 is your answer. Okay, then skip one line, write your 2 numbers sum, and it should be in circle. जब सीरियल नंबर में है 2 तो it should be in a circle. Okay, then tens ones place, 37 minus 7. Here also 7 single digit number, so 7 should be down the ones place. Okay, 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7 0. When we subtract same number, answer is 0. 7 7, 7 minus 7 0. Okay, and then 3, no any number here, downside में एक भी नंबर नहीं है तो 3 as it is, and your answer be a 30. Okay students, now your next number, skip this line, this is your serial number, put here 3, 45 plus 1 4. Okay, and this is your ones place. Let's add 5 plus 4, 5 after 6 7 8 9, and your 9 is here. Next number, 4 plus 1 is a 5, because 4 after 1 is a 5. या तो when we add 1, answer is after number, and 5 is a after number. Okay, चलिए let's move the next one. Fourth one, right here 9 plus 3, 9, sorry, this here is minus. Okay, क्या करना है, here is the minus sign. Look properly beta, here is the sign is minus. So 9 minus 3, 9 से 3 finger back जाओ, 9 before 8 7 6, and your 6 is here. Then 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, answer is 1. Okay, 1 6 16 is your answer. Next number, 32 plus 1 0, 10. So 2 plus 0 is 2, and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1, when we add 1, answer is after number, so 4 is after number of 3, and your answer be a 42. Next number, 6 number is here, 40 minus 10, answer is, let's start, this is your ones place, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 4 minus 1, so 4 से 1 finger back, 3, your answer is 3. Okay students, here is your notebook work, and your homework is in worksheet page number 1, term 1 worksheet, chapter 5 first page. Okay students, I will also write in notebook also this one worksheet. Okay, okay students.